So today we're going to be talking about the APEX series of fish finders from Humminbird. These units are packed with a ton of fishable features and feature best-in-class sonar, imaging, and mapping solutions. Let's dive into some of the details of these units. So something you're going to notice right away with these APEX series is they have a full high-definition screen, which gives you real vibrant colors. They come in a variety of different sizes depending on your setup. So 13 inch is the base, 16 inch. We also have a 19 inch for certain applications or bigger boats. A really fast processing power, which makes it easy to navigate between your different views and settings. It also features cross-touch technology, so you have your buttons on the side here if you prefer to navigate with buttons, but then it's also touchscreen unit, so I can go to my views, get into different things with touchscreen, which we're all very used to these days. These screens are also built for anti-glare, so very bright sunny days, you're not gonna have to worry about not being able to see your screen. Low light, you can adjust your backlight, but also designed for your polarized glasses. So when I put these on, there's no bending my head around to see my screen. This thing is vibrant. I can see everything, no matter what angle I'm looking at it from. So another awesome thing with the APEX series, they come compatible with all of Humminbird's mapping solutions. So you can get Basemap right out of the box, but then if you're looking for more of those high definition contours, the LakeMaster chip from Humminbird provides the highest definition contours across North America. CoastMaster for the saltwater guys, and then also AutoChart Live. So if your lake is not mapped, you can create your own custom map, or even if it is mapped and you want to get a little bit more details on some interesting spots, you can simply turn that feature on and create your own map. Right out of the box, it's going to be compatible with all of Humminbird's advanced sonar technologies. So whether that's Mega 360, Mega Live imaging target lock, no matter which model of APEX you buy, they're going to be compatible with each of those technologies. Another out-of-the-box feature, all APEX units are network compatible, which means I can connect any of my APEXes together. They'll work with the one boat network, being able to connect Humminbird technologies with our Minn Kota trolling motor. I can Bluetooth it to our Minn Kota Raptors or Talons, and it really gives us that ability to take full boat control and combine it with our sonar technologies. So we're gonna show you real quick an example to actually control our Minn Kota Ultrex Quest up here. I can pull up our navigation, and I actually have all motor controls available here. So I can steer the motor, you can see where the prop is facing, I can change our speed, and then all of our advanced GPS technologies, whether it's spot lock, drift mode, autopilot, all of those features are available here right at my fingertips in case I want to access them there. So with the APEX series, there's actually Ethernet connections in the back of this unit. And with APEX, you actually get 2 ports to connect into your network devices. So you can actually direct connect multiple of these units together right from the back of the unit. The APEX series also has the ability for NMEA connections, so you can get engine data, engine readouts, and information, but then also HTML5 integration, which allows you to connect into interior lighting or speaker systems. Another functionality is HDMI in and out. So what that allows us to do is connect in our sonar or our mapping into a different display if we'd like, or the HDMI in if we want to do underwater cameras and display what we're looking at under the water right here as well. So the APEX also comes with 2 micro SD slots. Common scenario would be having your LakeMaster chip in here, maybe an AutoChart Live Zero Lines chip, or if you want to export your waypoints or export screenshots or do software updates. So the APEX also has a very nice slim profile, which is perfect if you want to either mount on your gimbal like we have here, but if you also want to do in-dash or flush mounting, you're going to have a clean and elegant install.